Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Riley here down at Bidleman Ford with you. I have another amazing vehicle on our lot. This is the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Jailbreak Edition. Yes, in fact, that does mean we have the red key, which is going to unlock all the horsepower of this monster right here. Now, this 2023 only has 17 miles on it. It hasn't even been through its entire braking period yet. That means that you do need to drive this for a little while before you're ready to unleash that horsepower, but that's not a problem at all, because the second you get that chance, you're never going to want to hop out this vehicle again. Not only does it have the amazing sounding engine, it's also got the Harman Kardon sound system inside it as well too. Now, if you want to hear exactly how loud this is, go ahead and take a look at the back real quick for me. That amazing noise right there, it's all accredited to this monster 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi. This is an absolute beast of a vehicle. Now, this is also the last call edition, so please don't wait. Take advantage while we have it right here down at our store. Come on down. My name's Riley at Bidleman Ford.